No more dirty and worn out plastic. With just 2 ingredients, your car is gonna look like it just came out of the showroom. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a homemade polishing liquid. Very easy and quick. In addition to giving the plastic a new shade, it's also gonna protect it from any environmental conditions. The plastic will never dry out again. So first, we're gonna need alcohol gel. That's right, it needs to be gel. Go ahead and add 3 tablespoons in a container. And folks, this is also going to give an incredible shine to your car's dashboard, as well as any other dried out plastic you may have at home or even in the car itself. Now we're also going to need a hair conditioner. That's right, you can use whatever you got there. Add 2 tablespoons of conditioner and then mix very well until both ingredients are combined. And there you have it. Our mixture is ready. Now let's get to the car so I can show you how to use it. Just go ahead and take a bit of the mixture and with a dishwashing sponge apply it on the dry plastic with the soft part of the sponge. And gradually you'll notice how the plastic becomes shiny. As soon as you start applying, all the dull and no look of the plastic will completely disappear, giving it a much better and newer look. See where I didn't apply the product? There's a huge difference from one side to the other. And you can apply it to any part of the car where the plastic is dried out. Many of these parts are already quite ugly and had a dried out look, giving an unpleasant appearance to the car. But the application of this mixture completely changes how they look. So that was today's tip. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to give it a try at home. I'm sure you're gonna love the results. Thanks for watching and I see you guys in the next video.